Today we're going to do a fast and quick nail trick. And you know, I just make shit simple. Excuse me, I didn't mean to curse. But I just make things really simple. I do a lot of random things on my channel. Make sure you come back. We're going to need a balloon. And blow it up about this big. You see it? About this big. It can be a little smaller. It can be a little bigger. Okay? You need your nails, your own fingernails, or your own press-on nails. Okay? I just half painted this one. I decided to paint it all the way. I wanted to leave the tip off, but I wasn't sure. So I just painted it all the way. I mean, I guess you could leave the little tip for your French manicure. You could leave that out in the open if you choose to. Or you could already have it painted if you want to. And it's just a real quick, fast, easy trick. You can buy a nail stamper, of course, and come out with even better results. You can buy a nail stamper. And of course I got it from AliExpress. This is the nail stamper. Silicone. You see that? That's a nail stamper. But you can also just steal one of your kids or grandkids balloons. Or just go buy you some balloons. Blow it up about this big. You want to get, you can do 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, however many colors you want. Get you some nail polish. Just any old nail polish will do. I'm going to use these 3 colors. I mean, well, these 4 colors. I'm going to try to. Okay? And what I'm going to do is, I am going to paint. I'm going to put some of this nail polish onto this balloon. And I'll show you when I finish. I don't know if you can see it. It shouldn't take me this long to do this. I don't know what's happening to me. But yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to go across here with this. Make this little design. It's still nice and wet. And you take the nail and I'm going to do it. This way. And you... Oh! Can you even see it? The little design I put on there. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. That's it right now, though. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, you can tell I get bored sometimes. Even though I shouldn't be, I have so many things to do. You can come over to my channel and watch story times, food reviews, product reviews, hauls, ASMR, relaxing sounds, hacks, and food hacks, and just a lot of different random things. You know, that's what you can come and do with me. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm going to do another, I'm just going to do something over that, just to make sure everybody gets the point. We'll do black. We will do black. We are going to just do black. And go back over that. And, oh man, this is pretty stinky and sticky. I'm just using some old nail polishes to have a little fun with, you know. We're going to do black. We will do black on this. Okay, so now we're going to use the black and go over this. Am I blocking them? Okay, so this time we won't do it so hard. You see? Oh! Sorry. Anyways, that's the video, you guys. Just a quick little nail hack.